Hi guys, this is Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. And today in this video, I will discuss about the complete roadmap of data analytics program. So the students who are in their final semester and who want to become a data analyst, or the employees who are working in a different domain but they want to switch their domain to data analytics, they can watch the entire video. In this video, I have provided a 6-month program or the 6-month complete roadmap for data analytics, and if you can follow this 6-month roadmap you can become a data analyst after 6 months. As you all know, nowadays data analytics is the most demandable role in the market. So if you want to become a data analyst in this year, please watch the entire video, and after that if you have any doubt, any query, you comment below or you can ping me on Instagram so that I can resolve your doubt as soon as possible. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the computer screen and let's discuss about the complete roadmap of data analytics program. Let's go. So guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram, and today in this video I'll discuss about the complete roadmap about data analyst. So if you want to become a data analyst, you can focus on this roadmap, and if you can follow this roadmap, I can assure you that after 6 months you will be a data analyst. As you can see in the screen, here I have designed one flowchart which you have to follow in the entire 6 months. So first I have mentioned start with basic concepts. So what are the concepts? Like what is data, data manipulation, data extraction, data cleaning, ETL concepts. So these are some theoretical terms. So once you have completed this training on these basic concepts, start learning the useful tools for data analysis. So what are the useful tools which companies are asking in the interview? So the tools are Python, Tableau, Power BI, Advanced Excel, SQL, etc. So you can learn this tool and it will be a almost 2 to 3 months process, and you have to focus on this stage, because using those tools you have to manipulate all the data and you have to provide the business insights to the stakeholders. Then the third stage, which is hands-on experience in sample data. So once you have learned everything, then you have to start working on the huge data or some sample data you have to collect, and you have to apply the data analytics skills which you have learned before in the data. So where you can find it? You have to find it in Kaggle, and you can apply all the methods which you have learned in the previous months, and that's it. You can build your resume and start applying for the job. So let's discuss it in a different way. So here you can see I have already provided a overall roadmap for the 6-month strategy. So if you can follow this roadmap, I can assure you that within 6 months you will be placed in a firm as a data analyst. So first point, start with basic concept which I have provided in the previous slide also, like what is data analysis, methodology, concepts, tools, DBMFs. So for these concepts you can take almost 1 month of time, because it's just a basic and it will not take so much time to complete the basics. Then start learning the tools for data analytics which I have mentioned, like Advanced Excel, Tableau, SQL, Python, Power BI, etc. So it will take a lot of time because a lot of tools and you have to deep dive on the tools. So it will take almost 3 months of time to complete the overall concept about the tools. Then you have to work on the hands-on experience or hands-on practice in sample data which you can find in kaggle.com. It will take almost 2 months. And last month you have to work on resume creation, portfolio design, and apply for new jobs in Naukri and LinkedIn. Also, you have to learn about the interview question which a recruiter might ask you in the interview, so that you can be prepared yourself for the interview. Now these are some additional resources which you can follow for better recruiter response. So if you can complete any of the certification and if you can add this certification in your CV, it will be better for you, because the recruiter are looking for the certification, and those who have the certification, they prefer their profile, and the scope of recruiter response will be increased if you have the certification. So here are some certification which I have mentioned. You can get these all details in the screen also. And if you want to know about the certification and if you want to enroll any certification, you can check the I button where I have already attached one link here where I have discussed about the certification program. So you can get the job ready certifications, and in the certification you will get everything like almost 4 to 5 months certification. If you can complete the certification and attach the certification in your profile or resume, then it will be a plus for you. So that is all about the overall roadmap. You can follow this roadmap to get a data analytics job. And nowadays, you know, the data analytics job is very trending, and every sector is asking for data analyst, and also the pay range is very high for data analyst. So yeah, you can follow the roadmap and you can become a data analyst within next 6 months. If you have any comment, any query, please drop your query in the comment section. I will help you to resolve your query as soon as possible. So that's all about the discussion about the roadmap. If there is any doubt about any topic, you can comment below so that I can resolve your doubt as soon as possible. And if you want to going for any certification, you can check the I button. And if you want to learn about more certification program in data analytics, you can also comment below. I will help you to get the certification as well. So I hope the video is helpful for you, and you will follow the path to become a data analyst. If the video is really helpful for you, please hit a like to support me, and to get regular job update and career paths, you can subscribe this channel and recommend this channel to your friends and family members so that they can also connect with me, and I'll also feeling motivated to create this kind of video for you. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.